If you're looking for great sunglasses from the great outdoors, those are the ones for you to consider. Not only do they look beautiful, the outside looks beautiful as well. Not only I can see the clouds super clear, I just love how everything looks so peaceful, so beautiful, and so nice. So the Oakley Redux, this is very nice kind of a lens for you to get. And you have this collectible box that comes with. Opening this up, you're getting the following. It's this case. In this case, you get the actual lens themselves, and you can choose, yep, it's your choice, what kind of specific covering you can get for it. And I decided to get this one over here. Now for the main meal, it's the lens themselves. Putting this on, everything just looks so much better with the lens on. More clarity, more beautiful, more interesting as well. Putting this on, it's really nice looking. The whole entire glasses speak for themselves. Just the way you look, everything looks just about amazing. When you're outside, when you're enjoying the great outdoors, nothing is better than having an awesome glasses on you. So let's talk about the glasses themselves, why you should actually get them. Specifically, let's take a look at how they look like up close. And you can see how beautiful it is. Gunmetal over here. This is the green edition of it. And the lenses themselves, amber kind of color, beautiful together with the Oakley logo right here. Putting this on, oh yeah, this looks just amazing. When you put this on, you want to make a statement. You want to make a statement to the world. You want to see better, have better perception. You want to enjoy the great outdoors, more clarity, way better visual appeal. Yet I love the look. The look of those glasses shine. They make a statement of sophistication, awesomeness, that you're wearing custom Oakleys. They fit really great. You can see how they look like on either side over here. Really nice looking. So for those of you who are still on the fence thinking, should you actually get those lenses? Should you order this? I tell you, it looks good. It looks awesome. You look sharp, just like James Bond. But it is a new age look for this. Now, the best thing about this is that how comfortable they are. When you put them on, the whole world just changes its perspective. It looks so much better. Just having this on changes the outlook from just regular to just awesome in a matter of seconds. That's something for you to consider in case you're thinking about, should you? That's not the right answer or the question. It all comes down to not if you should, but what kind of design, what kind of color are you going to be making? And what kind of impression you want to leave other people who are looking at you. I like the green because it matches my outfit, my style, and so on. And then for this, I wanted to have really nice orange look to this, and it looks so much amazing. A lot of things about wearing Oakleys might be just a fashion statement, but some of those glasses saved my eyes from injury. Because I don't wear glasses every day, and I don't need glasses, I need some kind of eye protection. And for those of you who don't actually wear glasses all the time, you don't need eye protection. Or for those of you who, specifically like me, the only time you wear something to protect your eyes is for the sun, This also serves its purpose because if an object hits it, it protects your eyes. Better than glass than your eyes, right? It's a huge investment. Your eyes are the most important thing you have. And it also protects you from UV rays as well. So, two protection for you. Now, you might say, well, you can get a cheaper glasses, but cheaper glasses are not going to withstand the force of Oakleys on your eyes from any kind of object within reason. So Oakleys will protect your eyes from impact, so you don't need any other form of eye protection for most things. Second reason is that cheap glasses just don't cut it. The optics are not as good, not as clarity. You don't see things as good as with this. Plus, it doesn't look as cool. And furthermore, it just looks awesome. So what are you waiting for? Get yours today, so you're gonna be looking cool like me, walking around and checking the great outdoors with visual beauty I haven't seen anywhere else. And you can see over here, up close and personal, how this thing looks. Oh, wow. What a unbelievable fashion statement.